What are genetically modified organisms? GMOs. According to Britannica, it's an organism whose genome has been engineered in the laboratory in order to favor the expression of desired physiological traits or the generation of desired biological products. According to the FDA, GMOs have been around since the start of human civilization. In the past, agriculture was the first to start diversifying their crops to start by crossbreeding their plants with desired traits. Today, this is done in the laboratory due to advances in biotechnology and genetic engineering. How could this technology help solve modern problems? We will talk about GMO plants that can provide nutritious food, pest, and disease-resilient crops. The history of GMOs starts in 1866. Robert Menthel identified and studied the basics of genetic inheritance. Later, in 1953, Watson and Crick proposed the structure of DNA based on Rosalind Franklin's work. Afterwards, in 1973, Boyer and Cohen developed the process of genetic engineering. According to the FDA, some GMO plants approved to be used in U.S. soil are soybeans, canola, corn, cotton, potato, papaya, summer squash, apple, alfalfa, sugar beet, and pink pineapple. For example, Bacillus thuringiensis, a bacteria that eats corn, was neutralized by a corn plant that produces secretions which protect itself from pests and are completely harmless to good insects, livestock, and humans. Another case is the Hawaiian papaya. In the 90s, a ring spot virus outbreak devastated the industry. Therefore, a modified papaya was created named the rainbow papaya that was immune to the ring spot virus. In nature, plants need water to survive and produce their own food. Lead researcher Katarzyna Glowacka from the University of Illinois developed a tobacco plant that could grow with 25% less water. All the points that have been covered so far have proven that GMO plants can be made to resist infections, pests, and grow with less water. A perfect example is the golden rice. According to Potricus, it was created to be rich in vitamin A and feed undernourished communities. Now, we ask, how can this technology impact modern problems? The proposal is to choose a region that has starvation problems, then identify the causes of the problems, such as pests, viruses, or the use of toxic pesticides, and create an ideal plant that works in the environment. For example, an orange tree that gives fruits rich in vitamin C, omega-3, and folic acid. It could also consume less water and produce its own pesticide. This means that we could bring nutritious food to the tables of families that live in non-industrialized countries that lack the infrastructure to have steady and reliable food supply chains. This specialized crop could be distributed to farmers, so they are able to sell the products locally in farmer markets, which are known to be cheaper than supermarkets. And, as another effect, also commerce could boost the economy and attract foreign investors. In conclusion, we have the technology available to make a change in undeveloped countries and give their population a better quality of life. Nevertheless, we need to convince governments to stop prohibiting GMOs and start to look at the bright light of progress. Thank you for your attention.